Hi guys and welcome to OrderConvo plugin feature guide. In this video we'll see how we can use and what is the best use of the OrderConvo plugin. So first of all I will show you the default view of the order page when the customer orders in WooCommerce store, and there is no any option or any feature integrated uh, for the customer so he can communicate or send any message or any file against this specific order. So we have built a very amazing plugin which enable customers and vendors to communicate specifically against each order. So let's see how it works. So first of all, you need to enable this plugin, and we enable this plugin, and then if we go to the order page, now you can see this beautiful area in which a smart area in which the customer and admin can start communication with each other, and they can exchange the messages, the files and everything. So as soon as the customer initiate or admin initiate the message like, hey, where is my order? Okay, and he can also choose any file along this message. And when I send, and being an admin, I will also get an email notification as soon as the order is sent. Okay, here you see the message is sent, and I also get an email about, and you can change everything in the template which is being sent on both sides. So let's see inside the admin page, and I am under the same order. If I refresh this, and here you see I get the message and I get the attachments sent by the user, and there are many features. Let me explore the settings. You can change the button labels and messages and avatar and many things. Even you can change the position of the chat box on front end, like if I want to render above the order table, so you can set this, and let me show you the move, the placement of this change. So the main feature I want to show you is the order status. Means if you enable this, and if I set statuses like if you see the default order status the WooCommerce has are processing, revision, processing, on hold and completed. So these are the default or the core process, the order statuses. But you can add your or on statuses, like in this case I just add you can say design one final. So and you can save the changes. So let's see what happened on the front end. So here you can see when you enable the statuses, you enable the customers or the buyers to set the status. Means if you have sent some message or some file, he will be able to set the status like it is design one, or it is the revision, it is final, whatever the status. So let's make it final and done. So if I send this, and let me show you inside the orders, and here you can see the status is created and set the final. So here our order nodes is also showing the order status change from pending to final. So here you can set the unlimited status or stages of your order. So this is the amazing plugin which enables customers and the vendors to communicate, exchange files, and progress, see how the progress going about the order. And finally, if you enable the order statuses, the customer can himself set the order status, so the admin in the backend and can see how the feedback is sent by the customer. I hope you like this amazing tool. I hope you like this amazing plugin and enjoy it. Bye bye.